Hello, and welcome to the Fabricator's Field Guide. Today, we'll be learning how to drill holes in metal. Drilling holes in metal is an essential skill that you'll need to learn for the shop. I'm Jeremiah, and in this video, I'll guide you through the step-by-step process to be able to drill holes in metal effectively. Let's get started. The tools you'll need for today's project are a drill. We'll be using this cordless drill, but you can use a corded drill or a drill press or even a lathe to drill holes in metal. But we'll be using this cordless drill. You'll need some clamps, either clamps or a vise or anything that can securely attach what you're drilling to a solid surface. You'll need drills. These are common twist drills. They're meant for cutting metal or other things, but we'll be using cut metal. They don't have a brad tip. This is the normal size you see in a hardware store. And this is a specialty drill called a stub drill. It's a little shorter and it's less likely to break. Really handy when you're drilling by hand. So you need a drill. Make sure they're sharp. You'll need some oil. This is cutting oil, but any oil will do. Motor oil, 3-in-1 oil, but something to lubricate the drill. And it just helps it cut better. It helps it cut a little cooler. But it's always good to have oil when you're drilling metal. You'll need a hammer for the center punch. You'll need a center punch. This is to make a small indentation to where your drill can start easier. If you don't make a little indentation with the center punch, then the drill has a tendency to kind of walk off or skate off, and it won't drill where you want it to drill. So you'll need a center punch. This is what's called a center drill. This is optional. I like these for when I'm drilling a little bit larger hole, and I can start the hole with the little angled tip. And it's a little bit more precise than just starting a big hole with the drill itself. So a center drill is always a good thing to have, especially when you need some precision out of the holes that you're drilling. Before drilling your hole, you need to mark the hole with the center punch. Just mark where you want it to go, place it where you want to drill, take your hammer, and give it a couple of taps. You'll see a little divot, and that's where you'll need to place your drill bit to drill your hole. Next, you need to lubricate the hole with the oil. Just a little drop. That's about all you need. It helps make the drilling just a little bit easier and helps your drill bits last a little longer. Next is your optional step of using a center drill. Just place your center drill inside your drill. Place the point of the center drill in the little divot that you just made with your center punch. And you're only going to drill down just about, a 1/16 of an inch or so will do. Just making that hole just a little bit bigger. Then you'll get your drill bit, place it inside your drill, place your drill bit in the center drilled hole, or the hole or the divot from the center punch, and you'll want to apply enough pressure to have it cut, but you don't want to apply too much pressure. You want the drill to do the cutting. You don't want the force of the drill doing the cutting. So if that that might have you to go get or sharpen your drill bit or go get a new drill bit. So you start to drill slowly at first, and then kick it up to a medium speed or so, and apply some pressure until you feel it cutting. And you'll see some real nice chips coming out when you're cutting good. You can increase the speed if you need. Some real nice chips coming out. That means the drill bit's sharp. Oh! Now, you see how it caught the plate at the very end. That's why you want to clamp down the metal. Because if you were holding this, or a smaller piece of metal, and it created that burr, then it would spin the metal in your hand and possibly cut you. So, if the drill bit catches this burr, back it out or pull it out. Place it back in real light. Spin it. Whoops, see it caught again. Place it in real light. Spin it where it's barely touching. And then let the drill bit just kind of chew that burr away. And then you're through. A lot of times you'll create a burr at the very end, and you'll kind of have to back up and drill it out again. But there you go. There's your hole drilled. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you'll be drilling holes into metal or steel like a professional. If you like this video, please like or subscribe. And until next time, cheers!